Good afternoon. My name is Alex. I will take you through searching for information in all these databases. Okay, so, as we start, as Professor said, when you're in this home page, you see all these databases. You have to come to the few details so that you can know if your subject is there from your course. Now, for example, here in Emerald, there are a lot of subjects: accounting, business, education, also mind library, information sciences. So, once you see your subject is there, just click on it. On the page here, when you search here, you can search by, if you know the title, author, or specific sentence. Now, for example, in my case, I'll search maybe, for example, I want to know the role of academic libraries. So I'll just search it. Just search the role of academic libraries. So it will bring me a lot of suggestions. So after you search, you see a lot of suggestions there. You just scroll down and see the information you want. So for example, this article here, the role of academic libraries during COVID-19 pandemic, something like that. So you just, first of all, after now you reach here, you have to come here to summary and details. So instead of going through every article, you come here, you see the purpose and the findings. If now it is related to what you want what you want, you come here to the PDF. It will bring you to another page. Yes, it will bring you to another page. Now I think here you can download. I think so. Yes. You can download and save. If you want to save, or you can just read here as you are doing your research. So I can do another example.